Hi EGS, I'm going to give you a quick tour of how to work the virtual field day. So you're going to get a Google slide that looks very similar to my page at this moment. You are then going to come up here to the right corner where it says the play button and the presentation or present, and you are going to click that. It will take you to a page that looks very similar to this. This is going to be your main page for the day. Each of the topics on here have clickable links. So this will be the opening ceremonies. Please make sure you do this with your family. The second is the equipment list. If you already watched the video and collected all the equipment for today, you don't need to go to that one. The next one, the big one, is the events. So when you go to the events page, each of these are the games that you will be playing for the day. When you click on the video, it will take you, or click on the picture, sorry, it will take you to a video to show you the game, the equipment, and the directions. And you go back to this page, and then at the top, there is a click here to go back. It will take you to the main page. Those are at the top of all the slides, so if you need to get back to this page, at the top of all the slides, it says that. Down here in the corner, there is trivia. Every year at Field Day, we do some type of trivia about the day and then some fun HES trivia, so it will be there. If you need a 1-minute timer, if you don't have a cell phone or a tablet, or you don't have, want to use something else, if you click this, there will be a 1-minute timer for you. Here are the directions of how to share pictures. You have to join the Virtual Field Day Google Classroom in order to share them there. If for some reason you cannot do that, you can share your pictures to Mrs. Rutz at her email address, which is included in this in the directions. There it is. So at the bottom here, it should say go back somewhere. Here it is, underneath my picture. All right, and then over here underneath my picture, underneath my little video, there is a challenge to the 3rd and 4th graders. We're unable to do the tug of war. So for the tug of war challenge, there are some directions there for you to follow. And then the last one is over here. Mrs. Dano usually does our snack and a movie for us. So at any time during the day, if you want to take a break with your family to get a snack, you can click on here. And Mrs. Dano has created a fun little classroom for you. And if you click on any of the links in here, there's stories, there's games, anything like that that you would like to do. And then you hit the go back button. And that would be it. Hopefully you have a great day today with your family. Please don't forget to share pictures with Mr. Jenkins and I. Have fun, HES.